So the law of rhythm is one that basically states there are ebbs and flows in life. There are different seasons in life. So there are some seasons where we are putting in a lot of work, we are working really hard, and there's some seasons of rest where you honestly just sit back, there's not much work for you to do, and you just simply have to wait for your fruits that you've planted to sprout and bring wonderful abundance into your life. So you don't always need to be go, go, go. And unfortunately, in the society we're in, a lot of people think you always need to be go, go, go in every single aspect of your life. And especially go, go, go in a sense of your career and job, and then neglect your health and relationships on the back burner. It is all rhythm. It is all seasons. There might be a season of your life where right now you are very, very into your work and you're like, I'm going to put pedal to the metal. And I know that I'm going to be putting my relationships on my back burner. I might even be putting my physical health on the back burner a little bit. But this will set myself up for the next 3 to 5 years where my career is set, and then I can really start to bask in having time, extra time with my family, maybe complete weeks off where I'm already paid because my business is doing so well. And then I'm gonna really be able to focus on my physical health too and try to intertwine them. So seasons are part of life, both in a weather sense and your life, and even day to day. There might be times of the day where you're really, really high, you're feeling really good, and there's other times you're like, I'm not feeling too hot. And you shouldn't beat yourself up over these different things. It's your body and your mind telling you it's either time to rest or it's time to go.